If you're looking for a nice bait caster that you can pack up, this is definitely one I recommend you check out. Whether you're going to pack this up or just leave it all together, I want to show you this entire setup here. You have the bait caster. It also comes with some nice lures and other little options like that. And it even has some braided line as well. And then I'm going to show you how you're going to put this together and what it will look like. You have all the parts and pieces for the rod right there in the pack. And then you also have this nice little carrying bag. So if you want to keep this with you, you can put this in there and you can put all your items in. Like I showed you, you can just pop these in and keep this on you. Or if you just want to have it out and leave it out like I'm probably going to do, you can do that as well. Once you put the rod together, this is what it looks like. All it does is just kind of fit in there nice and neat. All these little sections just kind of go in and they just keep going all the way to the end. So it depends on what size you got. But I got almost the 7-foot rod, and you can see the extra additions here at the bottom. It's nice because when you're throwing, those are helpful. Then you have the little dial right there for your spinning, and then you also have the drag and also another setup right here. So whatever you might be interested in, it has all these adjustments. So I decided to go ahead and take it out and try it with this buzzbait, and you can see this thing throws extremely smooth. It's very nice and easy to use. Whether you're going to be throwing it overhand or just a little flip, whichever one you want to use, it works extremely well. And it's also really smooth when you're fishing it as well. That's really nice. Again, if you're going to be using this a lot all during the day, it's nice to have just a fluid motion. But as you can see, it's really long and it actually throws really far as well. And it also has a lot of good motion in it, especially when you're going to be trying to catch items. And I'm right here using this buzz bait, and a brim bites the buzzbait. I don't know if I've ever caught a brim on a little buzzbait here, which was crazy, but I really like this. My dad tried it out as well when we were out here fishing, and we both thought this was a great rod and reel combo. And you can use it whether you're going to be using two hands or if you want to kind of have that where you can stick in your side or kind of use it to stick on your wrist. Another great option with that. But overall, it felt really smooth, felt really great. I like the combo and also all the parts and pieces that went in there and all the adjustments. So if you want to adjust it where you might have a lighter lure, you don't want to throw it out and have a chance of it bird nesting. Also, you can adjust all different types of things on here as well. So it's really nice and neat for that. But overall, we really liked it. It felt really smooth. Definitely going to be one I'm going to keep and use often in the future. And then if you want to break it down, you can as well. But overall, highly recommend you check this one out.